To install Kali Linux in VirtualBox on your Mac, simply open Chrome, paste this link, official link to download Kali Linux. I will give you in description section. So it opens, scroll down. Here you can see the installer. So scroll. So x86 64-bit was suitable for the Mac. So simply tap on the logo. You can see the download symbol. Go to the settings. You can see here your Kali Linux OS was going to installing. So make sure you have good internet connectivity. Once it was installed, we can double click on this. So it was installed. So tap on this icon. You open. You can see here it was installed on your download section. So simply get back. So open VirtualBox. So here you can use, here you have to open section of new to add your Kali Linux. Give your name of OS. So here I am giving Kali Linux, and setting type of my operating system Linux. Set Linux and subtype as Debian. So here fifth option, it automatically sets 64-bit, so no need to change anything. So here open hardware skills. So here in hardware section you can increase the RAM. Here you can see the storage of 4 MB to 2 TB. So here I am giving 23 GB. So after clicking continue, you have saved your Kali Linux in VirtualBox. You can see here. So go to the settings. In general, you can see this. We have saved already. So scroll down. No need to change anything. Simply scroll down and set the RAM for 2 GB. In here video memory, no need to change, or you want to change you can, but don't go full. In storage section you can see here empty file. So click on side blue CD icon and choose a disk file. It opens your storage section. So simply type here Kali Linux. You can see here Kali Linux ISO file which you have already downloaded. So check in once, continue. Here you can see it was added, and also make sure the Kali Linux VDI file also installed below. Now go to the network section. Here it was pre-built as a NAT, but we have to change to bridged adapter for better use. Scroll down. Here it was automatically filled, no need to change anything being a controller. So scroll down. In USB ports we have to change, nothing, simply press on OK. So we have almost done, guys. So simply we can double click on Kali Linux. It's going to be running. So it was opening. So here select graphical install or maybe install, not at all problem. Here it shows you which language you want to continue. So it was pre-selected English, so simply continue. Here also simply continue United States English. Same as continue. Here this installation process totally depend upon your processor of your laptop, so kindly be patient and wait. So here set your network name, which one you want, type here and press on continue. So here I am giving Kali name and clicking on continue. Here it asking you to set up your username and password. So simply which one you want, enter here without any gaps. So here I am entered a space, so no need to enter space between the words. So I am refilling this section. Simply set up users and password, selected and continue. Here I am giving another name simply and clicking on continue. Here it asks to set up a password, so make sure your password is secure. It all asks every time you while running the Linux OS, so make it simple and tough. After continuing, it asks you to configure the disk. It asks you to configure the clock, so simply click here continue, because we all are East Indies, no need to change this. So select here India and click on continue. So here asking you to select the type of partial index, simply click on continue. Here also simply click on continue, no need to make any changes in this. So if you are a new user, so simply click on continue here also. So once recheck all the details what you have entered here and click on continue. Here tap on yes and continue. So your partial index going to be ready. So it takes some time, no need to worry, be patient. So it's going to be done. Here to install your software in Kali Linux, those are all pre-selected, so no need to change anything in this. Simply click on continue. So here your software for Kali Linux was installing. So here to install grub bootloader, simply click on yes and tap on continue. Here select this option and continue. The grub bootloader was installing. So if you have any small doubts also while installing this Kali Linux app, so you can simply mention your problem in comment section. I will definitely reply you. So here installing going to be completed. So here you see the interface of Kali Linux which you have installed. So here set on open normal terminal. Terminal was open, so simply you can update firstly Kali Linux. So use this command sudo apt update. He asks you for a password. Give your password and enter. Here it was updated. You have to upgrade also. So here you can use this command at a time for update and upgrade.